Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Ed. In this video, I will guide you through how to check network data uses on your Mac. For that, on the top right you will see magnifier icon, simply tap on it. Now in this bar, search for Activity Monitor. Then on the top right you will see 5 options. Make sure that you are under Network. Now, from the bottom you can check network data uses. As you can see, there is data. From there, you can see blue and red line. Blue is considered as data received and red is considered as data sent. Data received is basically amount of data downloaded to your Mac, like website, streaming and downloads. Whereas data sent is the amount of data uploaded from your Mac, that is sending emails, file uploads or other video calls. Now let's see one example. Let's open a Chrome. There search for any website. Now whenever you download or open the website, as you can see, a blue wave has been created. That is the data received whenever I download or open any website. In this way, you can easily check your data uses through bytes. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.